Okay, let's get started with making our LED flashlight. Here's some supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need some tape, a coin cell battery, a popsicle stick, 2 pieces of conductive tape that are metal or copper or something like that. You're going to need an LED light. You'll also need a metal binder clip. Okay, so here's step 1 that we're going to do. We are going to grab our LED light. Now there's 2 legs of your LED light. There is a negative shorter leg and there is a positive longer leg. You see how one's longer than the other? Make sure to put your longer leg facing towards you to begin with. So again, you're going to take the longer leg and put that facing towards you to begin with. And then you're going to get your conductive tape and you're going to tape that leg down to your popsicle stick. Like so. So taping the long leg, we're going to put this right on top of the leg like that. And then we're going to run the tape. So I put it covering up the middle leg and I'm going to run that tape down, down, down towards the bottom of the popsicle. Perfect. Now I'm going to flip that over and on the shorter leg, I'm going to tape that down on the back. Perfect, just like that. So I covered up part of the metal leg and I run that down to the bottom. Excellent. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the power source, which is the battery. That's also important which way it goes. So if you've forgotten which is longer or shorter, kind of measure on both sides. I have my long end. That's the side that the battery's going on, the side with the long leg. And you could even label it. That might help you. Label it with an L. Or label it, so this was my long side, that might help you, and this is my other side. That might help you to remember too. Okay, so let's attach our coin cell battery. We're going to want to put it right at the bottom of the tape. Make sure it is laying on the tape. We're going to want to put the side with the positive sign and the name of the battery faced down on that, okay? And we're going to take the tape. Now it's important how we tape. We're just going to tape at the very top of your battery. Like the top quarter, like this. Tape around, and on the back, make sure that some of that tape is exposed at the bottom. So you should have some metal tape exposed at the bottom, and your battery should still have half of the metal exposed and not covered up too. The last step is to take your binder clip, clamp it to the bottom. This will be your on and off switch. So on this side, you'll see that it should be touching the metal cord. If it's not, or the metal tape, you should scoot it down just a little bit to where it's not on top of the tape, because tape, the plastic is an insulator. It won't conduct electricity. Now the last step is to close my circuit by putting down this piece of metal. Oh, and now we have our flashlight. Happy decorating, Cougars!